Now, do the following conversions in not more than 2 steps. Toluene to benzoic acid. We have seen in another paper, it was ethyl benzene to benzoic acid. Side chain oxidation. Exactly same. So, how will you do toluene to benzoic acid? Methyl benzene is toluene. So, you will use KMNO4, KOH, heat. Then you will get potassium benzoate, followed by hydrolysis. You will get benzoic acid. So, you can see this concept is also repeatedly asked, right? Side chain oxidation. Next one, benzaldehyde to 1-phenyl ethanol. That is a bit tricky. Let's see how to do it. Benzaldehyde to 1-phenyl ethanol. How to arrive at the answer? 1-phenyl ethanol. You know CS3, CS2, OH is ethanol, right? 1-phenyl ethanol means take out one hydrogen and put the phenyl ring here. Now, let's start our thinking process. How? This is an aldehyde other than methanol. And this alcohol, is it primary, secondary, or tertiary? OH is connected to this carbon, connected to 2 other carbons. So, it is a secondary alcohol. You have studied, if you want to convert an aldehyde other than methanol into secondary alcohol, you have to go through Grignard reagent route. Yes or no? If you don't know, please do register it now. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will use Grignard reagent. CHO. Okay. But which Grignard reagent to be used? You can see this trick, how we are going to do it. How will you know? Because RMGX is Grignard reagent. Which Grignard reagent is to be used? See the trick. Benzaldehyde is your starting material. So, benzene with CHO. This is benzaldehyde. That much you will get from your starting material. What else you require? You need CS3. This H will come when you hydrolyze the adduct. Then the other R group which is left out is CS3. Use that in your Grignard reagent. Clear? So, we can use CS3MgBr. Okay? When you use CS3MgBr, you will get an adduct. And that adduct, you can make it undergo hydrolysis. Then you will get this product. Then it will be CHOH, CS3. This is the conversion. This is 1-phenyl ethanol. Clear? So, this is how you have to think. Aldehyde other than methanol to secondary alcohol. Use Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. But which Grignard reagent? Check out which R group you need extra other than the starting material that you use in your Grignard reagent. Clear? That's what you have to do. If you want to show the adduct, you can do it. But in a conversion, it is not at all required. Okay. Now, next one, write the products of the following reactions. This one, you can see it is benzaldehyde not having alpha hydrogen and an aldehyde without alpha hydrogen with concentrated alkali on heating. It is nothing but Cannizzaro reaction. So what will happen? It will undergo self-oxidation and reduction. And what is the self-oxidation and reduction process here? Let's see what are the products formed. Benzaldehyde will get oxidized to benzoic acid. Aldehyde will change into acid, but then it is NaOH alkali. So instead of COOH, you will write COONA plus. Next one is the reduction product. So I have told you before that how will you get the reduction product? Just change CHO into CS2OH. Please don't think it is simply OH getting connected. CHO, change it into CS2OH, not OH. So these are the products that is Cannizzaro reaction. And better you will write Cannizzaro reaction bracket in your presentation. Clear? Now, next one. This is a ketone, cyclopentanone. And what is this? It is semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide. When an aldehyde or ketone reacts with semicarbazide, you will get semicarbazone. And how to show that? When you deal with semicarbazide again, you have to be very careful because one NS2 is close to CO, connected directly to CO. The other NS2 is away from CO. What is away from CO, that hydrogen only you should remove. Okay? Take care. So this O will go with this H2. So water will get removed. What will be the product? You will be getting, that is double bond. Then just connect this area here. Double bond N, NH, CO, NH2. That will be the answer. Clear? Simple. Just practice. Now, the last question. Toluene, first you treat with chromyl chloride, followed by hydrolysis, you are getting benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as, it is a name reaction. I have told you all the name reactions you have to practice well with equations and explanations. Okay. So this is nothing but a third reaction, right? So you have studied all these things already in your regular classes, and this is just revision. So make sure to practice all these questions again and again, and you can be perfect in organic chemistry. You know, there is time constraint. We cannot do all the board questions in such sessions. So we'll try to cover up maximum, but make sure to practice. Clear? Okay. Then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as I always tell you. And you also watch all the previous videos which are uploaded from, solutions chapter. It is already uploaded. Then coordination compounds, it is uploaded. Then D and F block one shot uploaded. So make sure to use all these things perfectly for your preparation, and that will create a magic. Okay. So see you inside for the next session. Till then, bye.